What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Millersphere. Today, we want to talk about the exciting move we are seeing on Bitcoin right now. And as you can see, I am on TradingView right now, and I'm checking out what's happening on the chart. You can see we have a big bearish move all the way down and into this particular levels. Okay, so before I even get into the video, if you're new to the Millersphere, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, and also turn on the notification icon to get notified every time we release a new video. I'll be doing videos on technical analysis and different coin analysis throughout the rest of the year. And we started by doing analysis on GMT. So if you've not watched the video on GMT, check out the description and go and check that video out. All right. So now we want to work on the Bitcoin chart right now and see what's happening with Bitcoin over the past few days. Right now, I'm on the daily chart on TradingView, and as you can see, we have been pretty much in a range for the past few days now. Okay, so let me just put this right here to show you to see it, just to mark this range. And now we're breaking above the range. We're coming outside now. So we don't really know if this candle right here, if we close this candle, which has just 46 minutes to close, if it close in this direction, then we have successfully broken out of a range, and we can see the bullish move up to the upside right here. So what we're checking out is we're looking for a move all the way up here, and this is where we are going to be looking at a new resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, so we do not also we can also look at some certain things. So let me just clear that off. There's a place that I'm looking at, there's a particular point that I'm looking at that I feel could be a very dangerous place for us. So here is another resistance point that we can see a little resistance to this move coming up. So if we can close here, then there's probably another candle that we can see that can come all the way here. Or we can see Bitcoin come back all the way down and close below the zone. But we've been trading in this zone for the past few days. So from the 14th of June all the way to 20th. So pretty much a month uh, plus that we've been in this particular range. So right now we're breaking up above, and let's go and see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we have this. We can see pretty much clearly has closed above here, and but on the daily charts, the higher time frame are the ones that give you more clarity into what you need to see. So we can see that we've closed particularly here. Possible we get a retest of this zone, and then we come all the way up here. So we are going to 26k, and there's a very big chance that we hit this level. Okay, so being the price of Bitcoin has been down for a long time, I think we can see that move all the way here, and then we can see a little bit of retrace back to test this particular level, and then we break above here into the 28k zone. But pretty much we're seeing nice move on Bitcoin, and I think this is going to be something that is going to be massive to see the greens come back into the market again. So this is just a quick video that I just wanted to do. We've been off for a while. Right now the bear market has really put us back into conservative zone. Just watch and sit and see how everything plays out. But nevertheless, this one doesn't mean that we should not accumulate Bitcoin at every opportunity that we have. Bitcoin is one of the strongest, and right now you can see that we are trading below the 200 moving average and below the 50. But if you look at this in 4 hours, this like pretty much doesn't give much context to it. If we go into the daily chart, then we can see that we are very far away from this particular levels. And I've marked some different resistance points using my daily resistance and support zones. I've marked them out here with these lines. Then the 200 and moving average and the 50 moving average. So we can see that The 50 moving average, if we go all the way back and see what's been happening in the charts for a while, you're going to see that the 50 moving average has been acting like a dynamic support and resistance for a long time. So we see here acted as a form of support, and here it acted as a resistance, here as a support, here as a resistance, and we have always been trading above, below that particular point. So are we going to see a rejection of this point? Right now it is meeting and we are expecting it to act as resistance, but if we close above here, then I think we are pretty much bullish and we could see 26K in the next few days. So just make sure that you manage your risks properly. If you are thinking of FOMOing into this, I think you should be very much careful. Watch and see what happens. So let's go on the weekly chart and let's see what's happening on the weekly chart. You can see it's still the same zone we're breaking above. If we close this week above here, and then we have a pretty good shot to go here. However, the 200 moving average is here and could act as resistance. So I'm seeing, I think we can have a possible rejection from this particular point, 25, because if we go back to the daily, we can see that it is right here. We are currently on the 50. So and here we're going to test the at 25K, we are going to test the 200 moving average acting as a dynamic support. So this is all the things that we could see play out on Bitcoin. So we've seen a massive drop in the price of Bitcoin for a while now. So if I pick my ruler right here and I just from okay, let's take it off from the all-time high that we had here, and we bring it all the way down, we're seeing Bitcoin has dropped massively, 73%, 73, almost 74% drop all the way back there from 69K all the way down here. So are we at the bottom? That is the question that's in everybody's mind right now. Are we at the bottom? Have we seen the bottom of Bitcoin? Pretty much for me, I think we are going to see some little bit of action around here, back here, and then we go way up. But I think we are due for a pretty nice move for the bullish movement, because we've retraced all the way back to where the bullish move began. So I'm expecting to see some sudden volume coming, and I think that is what we are reacting to here, and to take us up to probably 26 to 28K, and before any kind of movement again that can see us come down here. But the other zone I'm looking at, in case this particular support does not hold, we're looking at here, which is why everybody are calling the prediction this is around 11K. But pretty much I don't think we're going to get here. I think we are making a nice move back up to 20K. We are going to be in the 20K zone for a while. So that is what I see from the weekly chart. And then the daily chart, we just want to see us close above this moving average and go up. All right, so this is everything for this particular video. I'll be dropping more analysis on different coins, so just stay connected. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, and also you'll hit the notification icon to get notified as the new videos drop. I'll be dropping some new traders there, and we have our signal room where you can get signals every day about different coins that you can trade. In the bear market, what we do is we trade the most, and we get all those 10% to 20% gains on each trade that we make. So our 20% to 30% gains are what we're looking for. But there are a lot of coins that are still making massive move in the market. So we're looking for coins that are going up 100% and all that. And these are the things that we really want to be going after. So if you want to have all the information, just kindly hit the link in the description, and you can subscribe for an annual plan for the Pluto signals, which is just $100 for a year. And also we have our free Telegram channel, so you can be part of our community. Okay, so you can join the Telegram group. We're going to be dropping a lot of information there. new videos, new information, news, and everything that you need to make sure that you stay ahead of the market. So all the links are in the description. Check it out. Follow us on social media. Follow us on every place. We are at 23K now, Bitcoin. We are hoping to go all the way to 26K, which is very, very, very possible with this move that we're seeing. I wish you all the best and stay informed. Right. See you in the next one.